Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are in good health. I am Nida Sami, your science teacher, and today we are going to start the first lesson of science. And we will take start from chapter number 1, Food and Nutrition, in which we are going to discuss about nutrients today. Let's take start from our today's learning objectives. After this lesson, you all will be able to define diet, describe why diet is important, define nutrients, identify essential nutrients that you need in your daily life, tell starch and sugar are two types of carbohydrates, define lipids, explain the importance of fibers in our diet, and describe the importance of water for humans. At first, we are going to learn what is diet basically. So in simple words, if I say that the food or the drink that we consume in our daily routine is basically your diet. Means if you are eating rice or taking water, so it is simply called as diet. And why this diet is important? So we know that the food basically provides us the energy, and so the diet is important for our growth, for performing our daily activities, and for the body to repair itself. So it keeps our immune system strong, and as well as it also promotes and helps to improve our body health. बेसिकली हमारी जो डाइट है, हमारा जो फूड है, ये क्यों ज़रूरी है? बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड्स अस एनर्जी. अगर हम फूड नहीं खाएंगे तो हमें एनर्जी नहीं मिलेगी. सो इन सिंपल वर्ड्स हम कह सकते हैं कि डाइट जो है वो क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है? बिकॉज इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर ग्रोथ एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द हीलिंग ऑफ आवर बॉडी. अगर हमें कोई इन्फेक्शन है, कोई डिजीज़ है, तो उस केस में भी हमें एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, और वो एनर्जी हमें कहाँ से मिलेगी? फूड से मिलेगी. At first, we are going to learn about what is diet. So in simple words, if I say diet is basically the food and the drink that we consume in our daily routine. Like if I say a plate of rice and a glass of milk is a diet, okay? And now we say that why this diet is important. As we know, it is the food, and food provides us the energy that we need to perform our daily activities like running, like writing, so as well as like thinking, like playing. So if we are not taking the diet, ultimately we are not getting the energy. As well as it is also important for healing our body, for repairing our body. Like if we are in a condition of some disease, or we are suffering from some disease, so we need energy in that case, and that energy will be provided to us by the food or the diet that we are taking. After understanding the concept of diet, there is a question that which thing in the food or in our diet is responsible for providing us the energy. So that substances or that raw materials that contain the energy or that provide us the energy are basically the nutrients. Nutrients are the substances that support our body growth, that provide us energy, and that maintain our body functions. And if we talk about the examples of nutrients, we have different types of it, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that we are taking from different types of food. So basically if we say that carbohydrates, proteins, and fats provide us the energy, and as well as vitamins and minerals, along with providing the energy, they also supports the growth and development of our body. Next, we have the role of different essential nutrients in diet, and we know our body need a variety of different nutrients every day. Here is a list of different nutrients and their functions also, and also the sources of foods from which we can get these types of nutrients. So the first one are the carbohydrates that are commonly called as sugars, and the most common example of the carbohydrate are the glucose. The basic function of these carbohydrates is that they provide us the quick source of energy to our brain and to our muscles also. And we can get these carbohydrates from the foods like bread, pasta, wheat, rice, potatoes, etc. Then we have the lipids, which are commonly called as fats, and these lipids store double amount of energy. They provide double amount of energy as compared to the other nutrients. So that's why it is mandatory or it is preferable to eat these kinds of nutrients in small amounts, and they help to store energy. They protect our organs basically, as they are providing double amount of energy, and they also help in the absorption of vitamins. And from the foods from which we can get these types of fats are oils. All oily foods contain lipids. Then butter, avocados, which are the fruits, and also the nuts. So we can say that all the junk foods also contain fats. Chocolates, ice creams, etc. All these types contain fats in them. Then we have minerals that are the part of soil also, and they are basically present in the dairy foods, like we can also say yogurt, क्रीम्स एक्सेट्रा. जितने भी डेयरी फूड्स हैं उन सब के अंदर मिनरल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. लीफी ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स जितनी भी हैं लाइक स्पेनिच एंड द होल ग्रेन्स. Then if we are talking about the role of minerals, they basically help to make the bones and teeth strong, and they help the blood to carry oxygen. जितना जो ब्लड जो ऑक्सीजन कैरी होती है हमारी ब्लड में, वो किसकी वजह से है? मिनरल्स की वजह से होती है. देन वी हैव द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट दैट इज़ प्रोटीन्स, दैट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल टू बिल्ड आवर बॉडी. बेसिकली बॉडी बिल्डिंग में, हमारी बॉडी के टिश्यूज़ को रिपेयर करने में, इफ़ वी आर फेसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ इंजरी, एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर आवर ग्रोथ. एंड वी कैन गेट दीज प्रोटीन्स फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ मीट, मटन, बीफ, एग्स, nuts, pulses, etc. And then we have vitamins, which are essential to or which are needed in tiny amounts, in small amounts in our diet, and they help to regulate the body processes, and they also support the immune system. And if we say that from which foods we can get the vitamins, so that foods are basically fruits, vegetables, and fortified foods. Fortified foods are basically those foods that are processed, और जिसमें जो मिनरल्स और वाइटामिन्स हैं उनकी क्वांटिटी जो है वो ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेसिंग कम हो जाती है, तो हम उसके अंदर जो आर्टिफिशली जो है वो मिनरल्स और जो वाइटामिन्स हैं उनको ऐड करते हैं. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हमारे पास लास्ट है वाटर, विच प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन transporting the nutrients, and also to regulate temperature and to remove waste. So it is essential for every cell of our body. Describe starch and sugar are two types of carbohydrates. So we say that starch and sugar, they are we have different types of carbohydrates basically, and starch and sugar are two of them. If we talk about starch and sugar in detail, we can see that starch are basically the complex carbohydrates, means they are made of many number of glucose or other carbohydrates. So starch are basically the complex chains or the long chains of the carbohydrates, and they provide us the steady and lasting energy. Means जो energy है जो starch से हमें मिलती है, वो एनर्जी हमारे पास लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होती है. और ये जो फूड स्टार्च है, दे आर प्रेजेंट इन ब्रेड, pasta, rice, potatoes, and cereals like porridge, like cornflakes, etc. And if we talk about sugar are the basically simple kind of carbohydrates that provide us the quick source of energy and that release energy quickly. And they are basically found in fruits and milk, and they are also added in sweets, cakes, and fizzy drinks like cold drinks. Next we have lipids. Lipids are basically the fats and oils that are present in our diet. And these lipids are important for our body because they protect our body organs, as we have discussed earlier that they provide the double amount of energy. So they keep our body warm. As you have observed, जब हम खाना खा लेते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी जो है वो वार्म अप हो जाती है. और वो वार्म अप क्यों होती है? क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी मिलती है आफ्टर टेकिंग फूड. तो इसी तरह से जिस फूड में ज़्यादा एनर्जी होगी, ज़्यादा एनर्जी प्रेजेंट होगी, वो हमें ज़्यादा जो है वो वार्म अप करेगा. तो लिपिड्स जो है दे कीप आवर बॉडी वार्म, दे हेल्प अस टू कीप आवर बॉडी वार्म, एंड ऑल्सो दे आर एसेंशियल फॉर आवर ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट. और इसके साथ साथ दे ऑल्सो मेक सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स एंड दे ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस द हार्मोन्स. Next we have fibers. Fibers are basically the type of carbohydrates that our body cannot digest. It might sound strange that these are nutrients but they cannot be digested, but they help to digest the other nutrients. They maintain our digestive health. सो इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द रोल ऑफ फाइबर्स इन आवर बॉडी, फाइबर्स बेसिकली वो फूड हैं जो इट्सेल्फ खुद यानी कि डाइजेस्ट नहीं होते, बल्कि बाकी जो फूड्स हैं उनको डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प आउट करते हैं। अगर हम पहले इनकी सोर्सेज की बात करें तो हमारे पास जो होल ग्रेन्स हैं लाइक ब्राउन ब्रेड्स हैं, इसी तरह हमारे पास जो है ओट्स हैं, ठीक है। ये जो फूड है हमारे पास, वेजिटेबल्स हैं, फ्रूट्स हैं, बीन्स हैं और नट्स हैं, दे ऑल आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ फाइबर्स। मतलब अगर हम इनको अपनी डाइट में लेंगे तो हमें ये हमारी बॉडी में जो हमारा फूड है उसकी जो मूवमेंट है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम से उसको स्मूथ करेगा, एज वेल एज इट प्रिवेंट्स द कॉन्स्टिपेशन। मीन्स जो डाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है उसकी अगर हम फाइबर्स नहीं लेंगे तो उसको मूव करने में थ्रू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इट विल बी पेनफुल। सो बाय टेकिंग फाइबर्स इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस टू अवॉइड दिस पेन, एंड एज वेल एज इट ऑल्सो कंट्रोल आवर ब्लड शुगर लेवल, इट ऑल्सो लोअर्स आवर कोलेस्ट्रोल लेवल। कोलेस्ट्रोल जो है ये एक टाइप ऑफ लिपिड है जो अगर हमारे पास इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है तो हमारे पास हार्ट अटैक के जो चांसेस है वो ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं। एंड इट ऑल्सो मेक्स अस फीलिंग फुल, मीन्स इट helps in maintaining our weight. So these are basically the fibers or the importance of fibers, why we need them in our diet. Like all other essential nutrients, water is also an essential nutrient and it is making up about 60% of our body weight. Our every cell, every tissue and every organ need water, and this water is helpful to transport nutrients from blood or from small intestine to blood in the absorption of nutrients, and also it helps to transport the oxygen to cells, and also to remove waste products, regulates the body temperature, and also prevent from the cramping by providing lubrication to the joints. Teenagers should drink about 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, and you need more when you are active or in hot weather. Means if we are performing any activities like in sports, we need water, and also during hot weather we also need water because of the increase process of sweating. So to maintain the water in our body, we have to drink more in hot weather. It's about the end of today's lesson, and your home task is that you have to write down all the questions that are given in the learning objectives, and as well as you also have to read the topic of nutrients from your book. I hope the whole lesson will be clear to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.